the exact place. So guys, I'm inside the exact place what happens, and this is what happened. This is the wreckages of whatever happened, and it's an exclusive video for me to go in and show you. I'm really surprised when it happens, because in front of us that is Nyayo Estate, and this is really what happened. And from the Inferno, this is the wreckages of what really happened, and that's the Nyayo Estate. And the people could feel the the wrath of the everything. So this is me. Look at all these guys. This is serious, and man, this is crazy. You see all that, guys? So what do you think of all this? Look at all this. This is the aftermath, and crazy. I want us to get a thumbnail here. Mic check. So hey guys, I'm back, and today we are in the, you can see the highway, but we are going to explore one of the okay, I'll have to stop and make an intro, but this is Embakasi, and we are heading to Mradi. We are heading to Mradi, Embakasi. This is where there was an inferno. It's very nice. Okay, we will explore this other side when we come. But yo, that's it. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. George. Woo. Let me pause and keep this. So guys, the plan is to show you where the fire, like erupt and everything, and that's the plan. So that's what we're going to do. This is Mradi. Start from here. Self boy. Yeah. So I'll not be very fast. I want us to focus on this area today. On my left is a Saku Business Park, and this is where you get glass automotive, everything and stuff. But in front of us, that's where the Inferno happened and everything. this place is so dear to me. I think I perfected my skating skill here long time ago. This stretches. So I want us to check on my left. You focus on my left. That is I think fine touch, irrigation, culture, dam and solar. So this is Mradi. It's not a big stretch. It's like I think 2-3 kilometers maybe. Yeah, but we have schools. I have Embakasi, but I think I'm approaching one of the places where it got banned. I'm not sure, but I think we'll see it. Yeah, so this is Embakasi. This is Mradi Embakasi, and we're here to explore. I'm going against the wind, so it's very slow. It has changed, I will not lie, and I think it's inside here. Let me try this. This side, it looks so clean, and I don't know. It's been like I think 3 weeks since it happened, if I'm not wrong, and I'm here to show you the aftermath. So again, I'm not inside the places because the road has not done. Yeah, but I will do my best. This is one of the ocean states. This side. I can't find the place. I don't know where it is, but there's another business park here. Emirates will look at that. It looks good. But I'm trying to locate the exact place where the inferno happened. I don't know. I think I'm here. I'm not sure how to go. But this is Mradi for you. Go back and ask. Let me ask. Niaje bro? Malilungwa ilikuwa wapi? Ilikuwa wapi nilungwa? Wapi ilikuwa? Oh, ni side nyingine. Si hapa. Thanks. So guys, we'll have to, to increase our speed and go and explore the other side. That's the plan. So it's not this side, it's the other side. Because the other side is very busy. Yeah, so let's enjoy the ride. This is Mradi for you, and I've been skating here. Oya! Oya, 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 oya! And yeah, let's see. So this other side is the village, Embakasi village. Embakasi village, roundabout at the police station. So stretch on the other side, and that's where my target is. I remember the road were not good this time. I don't know how it is, but let's go. This is where I perfected my skills. So this is the road to Embakasi Nairobi. There's people here. One of the business center, if you shop this side. Yeah. That's the business. That's the Mpakasi business. That is where I get quick match. Yeah. So we go back and explore this other side. The roads are very bad, and it has been like this for years. Let's go. I think this is the road I should take. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, yes. So this is the other side of the Mradi. Yeah, I think so. This is the road. Okay, let's go. So this other side, the sun is on me. So I'm just here to explore. I will go slowly and try to explain. Let's go. I can't see clearly because of the sun. But this is Mradi. It has changed. The last time I was here, it was years. But this is it. Let's go. I love that they have good, nice roads. I remember, guys, if you're in Mradi, there's Skyline Estate, and the second largest estate in Africa, that is Nairobi Estate. Last I check. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but Nairobi Estate is supposed to be on my right. But this is Mradi. Nyaze? Let's go. The goal is to check the aftermath of the, after the inferno. And I'm trying to locate the exact place. And I've also noticed there are lots of industrial parks, from the, this is the other side of the estate, Skyline Estate. Oh, I think it's here. I think this is one of it. Hapa ndio ilianzia ile moto. Ni hapo next. But ilifika mpaka hii side. Mpaka huko. Sika wanaweza kubali. Ndio Kenya wanajifanya. Let's check. So this is where the inferno happened. And this is Mradi. This is where the inferno happened. And there's a policeman. Mambo. So guys, I'm inside the exact place what happened, and this is what happened. This is the wreckages of whatever happened, and it's an exclusive video for me to go in and show you. I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised. Like you can see from the from the aftermath of how the explosive really took place. This is crazy. This is Embakasi, and man, I think I will try and include some clips of the inferno when it happens, because in front of us that is Nyayo Estate, and this is really what happened. Look at this, man. These are the tankers. So this was where I think from what I heard, they say it was an illegal filling station for gas cylinder, that is for cooking. And from the inferno, this is the wreckages of what really happened, and that's the Nyayo Estate. And the people could feel the wrath of the everything. So this is me. Look at all these guys. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. So I don't want to do much. I just want to get out of here as quick as possible. There's still more to this side. Look at this. Look at all these guys. Look at all this. This is serious. I want to also show you this other side so that you can see what really happened. And man, this is crazy. You see all that? Guys, crazy. Look at all that. Look at all this happened. You can feel the impact of the fire. I really don't know what I'm saying, but I really wanted to show you what exactly happened. I've been to this site before, like this is why I perfected my sketching and everything. And look at all this. I don't know what happened. I thought maybe they will blow up and ikaenda na ikarudi, and that is the estate. From the story, this thing blew up in a way that there were cars that were seen on top of the building. Remember the Skyline Estate? there were cars there that were on top of that building. Imagine, you can feel the impact of this thing. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you today, and I'm glad I made it here. So consider subscribing. I will show you the rest of the Embakasi village, and I extend the video to the other side. I think that will be it. So what do you think of all this? Look at all this. This is the aftermath, and I'm crazy. I want us to get a thumbnail here. Let me go before it's too late. So that's it, guys. I'm curious and I'm happy that I explored here and I showed you everything that's happening. Yes, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, the audio was not recording. I'm sorry, guys, but we are here anyway. This is it. This is how it happened, and this is the aftermath. I don't know if you can see this other side. Just look at how bad this happened. This is crazy, man. And what I was trying to say is that this is where the fire started from, and this is the aftermath. Yes. Anyway, I'll see you on the road. Let's go. It was really crazy. So this is the Mradi aftermath. I'm sorry for the audio. This is Mradi. Look at that. I'm sorry for the audio, but we are here. So let's go slowly. Okay. Guys are curious. Let me. Let's go. So this is Mradi, evening hours. Let's say rush hour, and nothing much. On my left, that is most of the industrial parks, and I think it's not wise for them to put most of this industry close to residential, and that was the talk after after everything happened. And it's crazy that people don't learn. A lot of stones here. So this is Mradi, and yeah, very curious, and I'm happy I did that. Nyaze, I hope the audio was enough for you to hear me. But anyway, we are here. Let's go. So in front of us, it's that is the East Africa School of Aviation. It's called IASA. That is in front of us on my right. This side. Yes. So I think that's the end point, but also I'll have to explore this other side of Embakasi that is called Tel Aviv. For me, just to show you. In front of me, you can't see from here, but there's the highway, the outer ring road, and there's this building. I don't know what is it, but it looks like again another factory. Yeah, it's a nice place, a nice stretch, but the road on this other side, it's not good. I don't know what I'll do, but there's this. Look at all that. I don't know what that's for. I really don't know what is it. It's called Vince Plastic. That's where they manufacture plastics and stuff. So, okay. Enough of that side. Let's go this other side. This is now the School of Aviation. It's in front of me. And by the way, if you're new here, consider subscribing. And I really don't know. Let's try and get this side. Let me see if I can go inside the school. Woo! There's another side. So there's this other side of the road. I think I can make a part 2 of the video, so that the video is not that long and boring, Lazima niwaringie. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here in front of East Africa School of Aviation. If you're new here, consider subscribing, comment, like, and share. This is part 1 of Mradi. If there's going to be part 2, well and good. If not, that's it. I've skated inside here before. I've done a lot of crazy video, guys. Check out my YouTube channel. I have skated inside this school before, and they have a plane, and I skated inside the plane. So subscribe. Bye. I will try and figure out if I can show this other street of the road. This say part 2 of Mradi. Subscribe, rise and grind. Ulikuwa unasema aje?